So the genius of Zakir Hussain. We are not calling him to be a genius tabla player, but genius of Hussain. Because we can say he created something new out of what was already existing. He gave a new shape, a new thought, or new way of doing things, or playing tabla, we can say. He went beyond जो प्योर क्लासिकल म्यूजिक है, जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग है या जो वेज हैं, ही एक्सपेरिमेंटेड, ही ट्राइड न्यू वेज और खुद का अपना एक उन्होंने स्टाइल बनाया. बट डूइंग ऑल दिस ही इंश्योर्ड कि कोई रूल्स ब्रेक ना हो. ऑल्सो ही बिलीव्ड कि कुछ गलत नहीं होता है. इफ यू आर ट्राइंग समथिंग न्यू, दैट इज ट्राइंग समथिंग डिफरेंट. देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग इन डूइंग एनीथिंग until and unless you are breaking a law or again the rules. So most important thing is that a person should know what you are doing, why you are doing that, and are you ready for it or not? Are you ready to give your 100% to that? So again, he has lived his journey throughout that. So all of this is coming from dedication, his focus, and the commitment. And also, he says ki you take one thing, commit the world does not fall silent and their wisdom to its master it, and then you challenge that again. तो एक आप गोल डिसाइड करते हो, उसको आप कमिटमेंट शो करते हो, एंड देन यू मास्टर इट ऑल्सो, फिर से उसको आप चैलेंज करो. सो दिस इज एप्लीकेबल in other areas also. If we talk about the formation of Indian constitution, that has been done in the Indian way. We have borrowed different elements as per their suitability and adaptability to India. They have been reformed and adapted and implemented accordingly. Even our growth journey post independence also showcases that it is not driven from the the way Western world grew. We have grown in our own Indian way. The challenges has been dealt by in our way, or again the thinking that is there. जैसे हम बोलते हैं Indian जुगाड़ system also. So that's fit into it.